This video provides an overview of the tools available in MHFD Confluence that will help during the create project and work request process. Starting with the map, use the layer manager to toggle layers on and off. The measure tool for length and area calculations. Create and save map notes. Zoom to MHFD's boundary and move forward and back map extents. Use the search bar in the top left corner to search by Colorado address or stream name. Select the desired result and the map will zoom to that location. Drop a pin that includes a pop-up with the intersecting county, local government, and service area. The panel on the right features project and problem cards. By default, cards are filtered by your map extent. Uncheck the Apply Map View to Filters to view cards independent of the map view. Use the drop-down to zoom to local government boundary or MHFD service areas. By default, projects are filtered by CIP and restoration types with an active status. Hover over the filter button to view applied filters, remove filters one at a time, or clear all. Clicking the red reset will reapply the default project filters. Click on the filter button to query problem groups, proposed actions, and project features. Let's filter for flood hazard problem types that have a solution status of 0% in the city of Lakewood. This means that none of the proposed actions needed to solve the problem have been constructed and could be potential areas of interest for a new capital project. Filters are only activated by clicking Apply. Reset will remove the filter. Review the results in the map and in the card view. This was a brief intro to the tools available in MHFD Confluence.